Snowstorm already. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manu Priscilla. I'm an international student here in Sydney, Nova Scotia. So I'm sharing my experiences as an international student, and I'm giving you guys weekly gists on what's going on in Nova Scotia. Okay, so let's get right into the gist. Okay, so this week has been so eventful. Oh, I had a whole lot to do this week. Today is Friday, so from Monday I was so busy. I had to take the bus for the first time, and I'm so proud of myself because in Nova Scotia here, the bus system is so regulated that if you're not at a bus stop at the particular time you need to be there, you miss the bus. And when you miss the bus, you have to wait like either an hour or 30 minutes before the next bus comes. So you have to be very time conscious when you're going out. So I was happy I got to the bus stop on time, although the bus ran a little bit like 2 minutes late, but I was excited. I didn't miss the bus. But that day, oh my god, it started snowing. I was so cold at the bus stop. In short, I was extremely cold. I just couldn't wait for the bus to come, and that 2 minutes felt like 2 hours. My god! But I thank God the bus came. I eventually went to where I was going to. So I also went to Best Buy to get myself a laptop for school. School will start anytime soon, so I need to get prepared. And I got myself a very good winter jacket. Yes, I got a winter jacket coming from Nigeria, but in Canada, the kind of cold in Canada cannot be compared to the kind of cold I've experienced in my life before. So I was told to get you can get a jacket when you come in from your country to Canada, but as soon as you land Canada, especially when it's in the winter, get yourself a good jacket, because you can never go wrong with a good jacket. So I got myself a good jacket that could withstand minus 30 degrees weather. So even if the weather is minus 10, minus 30, I still feel warm. I'm not gonna be so cold. So, and it cost a lot, really. It cost a lot, but thank you for watching my videos. Thank you guys, all those who have subscribed to my channel. My channel is so new, and I'm super duper excited and grateful for my friends, family who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for keeping the channel going. I'm waiting for the bus, and this is crazy. It's just snowing. The bus is supposed to be here. Okay. The bus is supposed to be here for 9:35. Oh, I can see the bus coming. Praise God, I can't wait to get out of this place. Oh my god, this is crazy. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Today we're actually experiencing a snowstorm. Everywhere is white, like literally everywhere is white. The snow, I hear the snowstorm here can be crazy, so you have to dress appropriately so that you don't get a cold or you don't get frostbites and all that. So I stepped out for a bit, and this is what I wore to protect myself. I have my winter jacket, I have my gloves on, I have my winter boots and thick clothing that would basically protect you from the cold. So I'm gonna be sharing clips of all I've done. So guys, like I said, I got myself a really good winter jacket, and oh my god, it was a bit pricey, but it's so worth it. Like, I feel so warm, it's so beautiful. I feel like an Eskimo right now. But there's no shakara in winter in Canada. You just have to protect yourself from the cold. So this is me. It's a whole lot of clothing, but trust me, it's worth it. Oh, let me see. Guys, this is my very first winter and I'm having so much fun in the cold. It's pretty cold. Let's see how. Oh my god. Oh. So this is my very first snowball and it's so hard. Well, I'm sorry I can't stay here so long, so I can't make a snowman, but I think I'm having fun. Thank you guys. See you guys later. Bye. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my video. Please share my video to your friends and family. Let's get this channel rolling. Thank you guys. I'll see you next week with more gist on what's going on in Nova Scotia. Bye guys. Bye.